to Salvage Port, down the wire. It's going to be anytime, anywhere with John Alvin Guse at a close finish between Reverse Merger and his coupled mate. Buzz Rocket then comes Resonant. To Salvage Port, down the wire. It's going to be anytime, anywhere with John Alvin Guse at a close finish between Reverse Merger and his coupled mate. Buzz Rocket then comes Resonant.
Bayang karerista. Ayan, nakita nyo, bayang karerista yung huling laban ni Reverse Merger, Anytime Anywhere, Buzz Rocket at Resonant. 1,800 meters po yan at ang lakas nga po ng dating ni Buzz Rocket ayun sa balya at ito naman si Resonant sa labas at medyo mabibitin po ng kaunti. 1,800 meters, ayan ngayon po 2,000 meters ang paglalabanan po nila. Ayan, lakas na, ayun na si Buzz Rocket sa balya at ayun naman si Resonant, konti lang bayang karerista at ngayon nadagdagan ng 200 meters yung paglalabanan nila. Ano kaya magaganap ngayon, tingnan natin.
Horses for the 2025 Piracom Piseso Henry Cojuangco Cup. Reverse Merger as they begin down or inside, anytime, anywhere. 3 wide, Goddess Soteria. Calculus in fourth position, down or inside, Pip, Candy and Wine. Also moving up, Generative, Tis the Moon, Resonant, Rumored. Then followed by Buzz Rocket, Blue Mind Fury, and Dream Girl is the early trailer. Into the turn, they gallop for the Henry Cojuangco Cup. It's still anytime, anywhere, being pressed now on the outside by Reverse Merger. I like watching in third, Calculus, Generative in fourth, down or inside, Pip, Goddess Soteria. In between horses, Tis the Moon, Candy and Wine, Resonant comes next. Alongside is Rumored, and a long way back to Dream Girl, Buzz Rocket, and Blue Mind Fury. Down the back stretch, they racing, and it's still anytime, anywhere by Amneg on the outside. Reverse Merger, Goddess Soteria in third, alongside Port Calculus. Here comes Resonant, coming closer in fifth together with Tis the Moon. Generative also moving up, Rumored on the outside, Candy and Wine. But anytime, anywhere, still in front. Reverse Merger still in second on the outside. Goddess Soteria in third position. Here comes Resonant together with Generative, Calculus. Anytime, anywhere, and Reverse Merger keep on matching their strides together. Goddess Soteria, Tis the Moon as the field turns for home. Anytime, anywhere, Reverse Merger keep on matching their strides together. Reverse Merger, anytime, anywhere is running by the rail. Here comes Tis the Moon, but it's still anytime, anywhere. Reverse Merger on the outside and down to the finish. And it's still anytime, anywhere, and finally anytime, anywhere, second close. Buzz Rocket, Reverse Merger, then comes Resonant.
Bali yung pong naganap na Henry Cojuangco Cup last November 23 na 1,800 meters. Ang kakampi po ni Tis the Moon, ni Anytime Anywhere ay ito pong si Tis the Moon. Pero ngayon po ang magiging kakampi po ni Anytime Anywhere ay ito nga po si top customer na Isander Mati. At ngayon nga po 2,000 meters ang paglalabanan nila. Magkakampi nga po ito si Anytime Anywhere at saka po ito si top customer. At siguradong didiskarte din po ito. At ito naman po kasing si Buzz Rocket at Reverse Merger, isang de bandera at isang de remate din. Si Resonant, parang balita ko, si Sarate ang sasakay, hindi si JT Pabilik. At lahat nandito nga po yung bago nilang kalaban na si Ready to Risitol na isang de remate. So marami pong pwedeng mabago dito. At swertihan po kung saan natapat ang laban. Maraming salamat po sa inyo at good luck po dito sa laban nila sa 2,000 meter, ang muling paghaharap ni Anytime Anywhere, Buzz Rocket, Reverse Merger, Resonant, at may bago nga silang kalaban na si Ready to Risitol. Good luck!